Now we will discuss solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. Because quadratic equation we can solve by three methods. First one, factorization method, we have already done in exercise 4.2. Next, completing square method, and third one method is known as quadratic formula. Now we will discuss this one, solution of a quadratic equation by completing square method. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and where a not equal to 0. This one we can solve by completing square method. This here coefficient of x square is a. Therefore, we divide both sides by a. That means ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a equal to 0 by a means 0. This implies our equation will be x square plus b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. Now this one part we have to make a complete square, either a plus b whole square means a square plus twice ab plus b square, or a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Here all signs are positive, that's why we have to make a complete square of a plus b whole square. Here a square plus twice ab plus b square, we have to make these three terms. From these two terms, we make these three terms by like this way: x square plus twice ab to a means x, b means what happened here, b by a. This one if we write b by twice a, then 2 to cancel, b by a x will get. Okay, this one we rearrange like this way. Okay, now this one twice a b, that means b will be what? B will be b by twice a. That's right, b square means b by twice a whole square we write. Now this one extra, that's why we have to minus b by twice a whole square plus c by a equal to 0. Do you understand this one? Because we have to make it complete square, means like this way: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. This one a square plus 2ab plus b square. This one extra we have written, that's why we have to subtract here b by twice a whole square. Now from these three term we can write x plus b by twice a whole square, and this one minus b square by 4a square, because b square, and this one twice a square means 4a square, plus c by a equal to 0. And this one x plus b by twice a whole square, and this one if we take from left hand side to right hand side, then this one will be b square 4a square minus c by a. Now x plus b by twice a whole square, and this one if we simplify, then LCM will be 4a square, and this one b square minus, if we divide 4a square by a, then 4a left, then 4a into c means 4ac. Now if we find the square root, because we remove this one square to find the square root. Now taking square root, then we will get this one x plus b by twice a whole square. This one we take square root. This side also if we take what, b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square, taking both side, if we take square root, then this square will be removed, x plus b by twice a, and this one 4a square, this one we can find the square root 2a, and this one portion we keep as it is, b square minus root over b square minus 4ac, and this one will be plus minus, because if we take the square root then it may be positive, it may be negative value. Therefore x is equal to minus b by twice a plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Okay, now if we simplify this one, then what happened? Twice a will be LCM minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. Therefore x is equal to 1 is minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a, and another x is equal to how much? Minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. This way we find the value of x by completing square method. And this one x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. This one known as quadratic formula. That means quadratic formula, which one? Quadratic formula. Quadratic formula means which one? X is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. That means if we know the value of a, b, c, means coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant term, then we put the value of a, b, c in this formula and we will get the value of x. Here plus minus means two roots are there, two values of x are there, and this one known as quadratic formula. And here b square minus 4ac, this one we have to find the value b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac known as discriminant. This mean that discriminant, yeah, in short we can write capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. That means if b square minus 4ac value is greater than equal to 0, then what happen? Roots are exist. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no real root. No real roots. That means if we find the value of b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, then we can solve the value of x. But if b square minus 4ac negative value we will get, then no need to find the value of x. Why? Because there is no real root. I hope all of you understand this one completing square method, and through completing square method we find the quadratic formula also. And quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. And we have to find the suppose if it is given roots are exist or not, then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac value is greater than or equal to 0, means positive value or equal to 0, then roots are exist. And if b square minus 4ac value negative, means less than 0, then no real roots. That means no need to solve the equation. I hope all of you understand.